Next, let us take a look at some common questions in the new version. The first one is a new pop-up message that says, "Since you have not performed any operation for a long time, click OK to reload." Why does this pop-up appear? This is because in the new version, an auto-logout mechanism has been introduced to enhance the overall stability of the BI platform. If a user remains inactive in the analysis subject for about 10 to 20 minutes, the system will determine that the user is in an idle state. At this point, the memory resources occupied by the user will be released and reallocated to other users on the platform, supporting their analytical tasks. The exact duration of an activity that triggers this pop-up is dynamic. If the server's available memory is limited, and many users are actively performing analysis idling for just about 10 minutes, may result in being logged out, freeing up resources for others. However, if the platform server is under minimal pressure, the idle time may extend to approximately 20 to 30 minutes before the user is logged out. If you encounter this situation, don't worry, simply click OK. The page will automatically refresh and restore to the exact state you were editing, and you can continue right where you left off. The second common question involves saving. In the new version, you need to click the Save button to save your work. But what if after making some edits like adding filter components, you accidentally close the browser directly without saving? You might be wondering, will all my edits be lost? In this case, we can simply click the Edit button to return to our analysis. Then, in the drop-down menu, you will find Version Management. You might notice that the previously added filter components seem missing, but when you click into Version Management, there is a special archive. It states, when you close a tab page forcibly, an archive will be stored here. This archive will be overwritten every time this scenario occurs. The creation time matches when you just closed the browser. Click Read and it will restore the filter component we added earlier. This serves as a safety net. If you ever encounter unsaved work, you can recover it through the special archive.